Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be looking at something that's actually slightly different. It's from a country called Transnistria. They're a set called the AA series, and they are plastic coins, and they're a series of 4 coins ranging from 1 to 10 rubles. As I said, the difference is they're plastic. Now the reverse on all of them, where's my pointy stick, there we go. This is the bank logo. It is on the back of all 4 of these coins. This is the 1 ruble, and it is the gentleman on the front of it is Count Alexander Savia, Count Alexander Savia, who was a leader and I believe he's a politician slash military leader and he came from the country of Transnistria. The second one is the 3 rubles. I've just got to find out which one it is. See that one? And that's a 5 rubles. So this is a 3 rubles. This is a rounded corner square. And the person on the front is a guy called Franciscus Paul Sante de Wallot, and Francois is Francois Paul, and then Santia is Sante, and then de is de, and then Wallot is Wolla, I think it's it. I haven't found out much about this gentleman, so I can't give you any more information than I've just given you, unfortunately. The 5 ruble is the next one, which is this one, and it's a 5-sided shape, which I suppose goes with the fact that it's a 5 ruble. And this is on the person depicted is Count Pyotr Alexandrovich Ulla. I'm going to actually have to spell this out for you because I can't actually pronounce the names. You got Pyotr, that's Pyotr, and then Alexandrovich, which is Alexandrovich, and then the surname or family name is Runyatev Zdansky, I think it is, and that's RUNYATSEV-ZANDUNAISKY. Please do not ask me to repeat that. An unusual shaped coin, a very long name, and another one that's well worth having. And a final one. Can you guess who she is? The most famous female probably that Russia has had, Catherine the Great, who was leader of the Russian Empire as it was. A very well known lady, both military wise and also for the amount of work that she did for her country. This is the 4 coin series that was issued in 2014, which makes up this set. And there is the full set. I think if you're a collector, it's nice to have it just as a complete set. It was issued in 2014. There was crippling inflation in 2000 that led to the introduction of the plastic coins, and they went out of circulation in 2014. And that celebrated, 2014 celebrated, or this set celebrated, the national currency. Now the problem for Transnistria is that it is not recognised by any country that is recognised by the UN. The 3 countries that recognise Transnistria as its own country also are in the same position as they are, in the fact that they are countries that do not have UN recognition and therefore are not fully independent countries that the UN recognises. So if you go to where is Transnistria? Well, Transnistria is actually on the top, it's on the north to northeastern side of Moldova. So I think it's part of the Moldovan Federation, although Moldova hasn't pressed it and said you will come into line or anything like that. Especially with this thing about Transnistria trying for independence. So these are these are plastic coins that were issued to celebrate the 20th anniversary of their currency, which doesn't officially exist with the UN and other places, as a country is not recognised. So should I have it in my collection? Should I have bought these coins? My answer to you is yes, I think I should have done. Whether they will be recognised in the future, I don't know. But even if they're not recognised, having them in my collection makes it a little bit more complete. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please put in your comments below whether you think they should have been allowed to issue the coins and all the rest of it, and what your feelings are about this set. Please let me know down below. Now, as I said, in recent weeks I've been looking at my viewing figures and the analytics from the channel, and it seems over 50% who are watching the channel are not actually subscribed to the channel. So I'm making an appeal to them in particular. If you've enjoyed these videos, please give me the thumbs up, and I would love to have you along permanently as a subscriber. Neither of these cost you any money. I would love to have you along as a subscriber and to build the channel. So those of you who are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those people who are buying coins for their collection or to show off on the channel, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you will find something you want to enjoy, that you enjoy watching. I say 4 videos, it's a minimum of 4 videos a week. However, until we meet up again, which I hopefully will be not too long into the future on this channel, I'll say bye bye. Ta-ra now.